Do you guys have your seatbelts on? Actually,
Nope.
ooh.
Okay, kids, are you wearing your seatbelts?
Nope.
Better put them on right now. Put them on, please. Oh my god! Stop! I'm dead already. Come here, little boy. Give me your money.
1,000 passenger vehicles occupants died in a motor vehicle traffic crashes in 2014.
More than half range, 53% to 59% of teens 13 to 19 years and adults aged 20 to 44 years who died in crashes in 2014 were unrestrained or without seatbelts at the time of the crash.
More than 2.3 million drivers and passengers were treated in emergency departments as a result of being injured in motor vehicle traffic crashes in 2014.
Young adult drivers and passengers 18 through 24 have the highest crash-related non-fatal injury rates of all adults.
Wear seatbelts!
Wear seatbelts!
And dab!